on today's episode on WarpDriveM. We are going to make a road trip with the 1 Series after the engine replace. I wanted to say after I fixed the engine, we are going to drive like 60 kilometers one way. We are going to tint the windows. We have an appointment in there, and with this road trip we are going to check if the engine will hold and everything is okay. I hope it's okay, but for now I've done 100 kilometers exactly with a repaired engine. No light, no nothing whatsoever. Everything works just fine. We have the 1 Series inside. Now we are going to tint the windows. We are going to make some design for the doors, for the track, of course, and the name will be in here, mine and Daniel's name as well. We are at the garage with the 1 Series, and the windows looks really cool, really nice, way better than before for sure. I know I'm investing money in nothing that is important. I have to fix this, but I have a plan for this, of course. Looks pretty damn good. So one step is done. We are going to for sure sand all the clear coat, but in the meanwhile let's replace this a missing logo. Is no more any logo, with a new one. Looks way better with the new logo, that's for sure. And now I've started to clean the car completely. I removed the seat. This one is almost done. I've cleaned underneath everything because the car stinks like wet dogs, to be honest. Oh, and I forgot to show you, I've cleaned in here as well, but I replaced the battery. We have an AGM battery finally. I had it from a different car, so this one is like 2 months old or something like that, so it's brand new battery. Finally fixed this problem as well. This is what I found under the front seats, and check this out, under the back seats as well. So apparently I will receive my money back from this investment in the engine and stuff. So let's clean in here as well, and we are done with the cleaning. try to fix the bumper, the rear bumper. I'm going to install some cheap parking sensor. I have like Chinese stuff. Let me find it to show you. Something like this. I've installed this kind of kit or this kind of sets in a lot of cars. So every time you are going to select reverse, it's going to activate the parking sensor, and you will have like a small speaker that is going to notify how far are you from a wall or from another car or something like that. The rear axle, everything is new and looks perfect. Everything is okay. We have no broken plastic holder, so I don't have to buy any kind of parts. And we had this crack. It was really wide, and now I've put it together. I put some staples, so metal staples. You can see in here I have to cut this one and the other ones. I have used a gun, something like this, with something like this. And yeah, now it's together. I'm going to search now place for the parking sensor, and we are going to put everything back together with new screws, because the old ones were in so rough shape that I had to cut them, so I cannot use these screws at all. I've put a tape in order to find some points where I will put the parking sensor, of course. I've done a marking in here, another one in here, and in here. I took this hole and I divided by 2, so in half, and I went 2.5 centimeters from this line everywhere. So 2.5 in here should be perfect. And now let's drill the bumper. I think it's done. Everything is put back together. We have the parking sensor now. I aligned the bumper as good as I could, but as you can see, we have no gap whatsoever in here, and because of this accident, of course, it doesn't align perfect. We have a dent in here, not really sure how to show you, but it's aligned with the chassis. We have a small gap in there and we have no crack whatsoever. Looks way better than before. I've cleaned the door as well, no white scratches, nothing. I've took positive and negative from the reverse light. The module is in here, and I wired the cable. Let me show you, for this small speaker and monitor here in the front. See that? I just have to finish in there that cable, and the cable is routed in here, here between, and on this gasket for the door seal, and goes all the way back and in the trunk. This will be with double side tape stick in here, so I'm going to stick it like there in the middle of the dash. Looks perfect. If we put ignition on, nothing, reverse, and we have parking sensor. I'm pretty sure it's working. Let me show you, in fact. hear that? Maybe you can see in there. It's showing you which side, and I'm moving on the other side now. See that? Perfect. And with this I'm going to close the video in here. We've done a lot of work on this crappy 1 series, but slowly it's going to be the best 1 series because everything is new. Rear bumper looks way better than before, that's for sure. We have just like a small line in there and a small gap, but other than that looks okay. I just have to try to buff a little bit more the white scratches from there, wash the car, and it's done. We have the new logo. The car drives, runs, everything is fine. We have parking sensor now. The only thing that I have to do is this, the handbrake. It doesn't do anything. And this one is broken as well. If you want to see more progress on this car, join me for the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.